If you like to barbecue, watch this video to learn how to win a set of barbecue tools and accessories absolutely free. No purchase necessary. Your next awesome barbecue is only a few clicks away if you're lucky enough to win our prize. Enter now to win a luxurious set of barbecue tools and accessories. BBQ Set includes Corona Barbecue Apron, Corona Leather Grilling Gloves, Corona Grilling Fork, Corona Grilling Spatula, Corona Grilling Tongs, Corona Meat Shredding Claws, Corona Non-Stick Grill Basket, Corona Grilling Skillet, Corona 12-inch Square Grill Basket Wok, Corona Non-Stick Rectangular Grill Topper, Corona Fish Grilling Basket, a 4PCs Hamburgers Grilling Basket, a 4PCs Hot Dogs Grilling Basket, Corona Digital Fork Thermometer, a 4-pack Mini Steak Thermometers, Corona Basting Brush and Sauce Pot Set, Corona Barbecue Prep and Serving Set, Corona Stone Grill Cleaning Brush, Corona Gas Grill Cover. Value $346 United States dollars. Enter now to win the awesome barbecue tools and accessories set.